Today I'm gonna be taking apart a Polycom telephone system from which used to work with Microsoft Link. Here you go. And this one I got for free. Plug it in, doesn't work, doesn't show up. So yeah, gonna take it apart and look if this IP phone works, doesn't work, and else what's inside. So yep, first take the plug out, safety first. Flip. Always nice. Sorry. Yeah, I need to get the tripod. So let's see. Got some screws in here. Is this it? Yep. First I'm taking this apart. Never took one apart. Only hacked it. So. Goes there. Put one in there. Plastics. Okay. Got some Phillips. Too big? No. Works. Nice USB connector. That looks just fine. So that's not the cause. Nope, it's fine as well. Does not feel broken. And got a whole bunch of screws in there. Just going over the whole process, so if I break something you learn from it and you don't have to break it. Because this one is for free, and the ones you probably have, you have paid for it, so yeah. Better have me break things than you break things, and then you can learn from it. So all the screws are gone. Let's see if we can get into the machine. Yeah, that's not that difficult, looks like. Pry it open. Let's pull aside. Probably slide out. Still. Ah, there was a latch. Yep, we're in. And flew away. Nothing. All kinds of rubbers put on there. Yep. And I put some rubbers in there to just make sure that it sticks. So we're gonna have a look-see. Quick look over the board. With a quick look. Doesn't look like anything is wrong. This looks like the speaker, the switch, so it's a little hall sensor, proximity sensor, spring leaf, connector to the LCD screen, power connector, microphone, looks like some LEDs, and just try to reseat this part. Yep. And let's see if on a miracle way this thing just starts, because if it starts then maybe we can reuse it. Nope. Nothing at all. Yeah, and I'm very confident to put my hands in because everything is 5 volt or lower. Just doesn't seem to be much life. And because I don't know too much about electronics, I just keep learning a little bit. Yeah. Let's see. I can point some parts out. So here we got a processor. It's an Intel AT921SAM7 SE256. It's an ARM processor, and this looks like memory from Hynix. Yeah, size I don't know. Here's another chip. Don't know if you can see it. There's another one, teensy tiny one, but more there's not really onto the board. We can see some connectors not populated, so it did have some more functions over here. Yeah, some small stuff, but nope, no life whatsoever as far as I can tell. No blinking LEDs, no lighting up the display, so for me, no, yep, dead. So, bye bye cable. Let's unscrew the rest of the screws and see what else is inside. And how to take it further apart. Oh, that's nice. Some rubber, some thingies. Just pops in there. It goes to the speaker. Not really interested in. I'll take it out before it goes. Then the speaker goes into the rest recycle bin because I don't get anything for the extra for the magnets, so I'll put it into the scrapping pile. So that's everything that they have to break apart further to get metals, copper and stuff out of there, so it's unsorted, and yeah, it's not allowed to have more than 15% iron, and everything else is mixed. So they have to put it through a mill and yeah, take it apart or melt it at different temperatures and see if they can somehow extract different types of metal by doing that. some hot snot, some hot glue, put here to reinforce the stickers for the horn. Always one that wants to be difficult. That was the last one from the top board. Here's another one. Looks like this one has to come out before the board wants to come out. So, yep. That's the horn switch. Does not seem to be really that much to it. I thought I took you out. Yep, outside. So we can see a nicely gold plated board on the back side. Some LEDs that should light up, didn't do anything. So yeah, probably that as a doorbell out of the box. Never been used, never gonna be anymore. So yeah, you can see all the test points and all the gold plating. So maybe this board, if I depopulate this side, I can recover some milligrams or micrograms of gold out of it. So yeah, that could be fun. So I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with this one. Depopulate it or put it in a scrap pile with gold bearing material and then get a quick buck. So what do we have here? The dials with some graphite silicone on it for conductivity. Yeah. ABS plastic buttons. Yeah. Nice. So take these off because this is different type of plastic as this, and this I'm saving up to hopefully get some money out of it, and I'll junk it as one, but this plastic or silicone can't do anything with it. So that's really the rest of the plastics that I can't identify and don't know. No, doesn't work. Can't separate it, so it goes into the big pile of rest, and that's going to be recycled somewhere else. And hopefully they know how to separate them, and else it gets on the landfill, and then thanks Polycom for making stuff unrecyclable and reusable. So yeah, unless you state as some companies do, when you burn it, it's also recycling because you get energy from it, but don't really think that's recycling. So, taking this one out, and now we've got a very nice screen. Flat cable, 40 pins. Could it be? Nope. I thought maybe it fits on the Raspberry Pi, but nope. Gotta find another use for it. Nice screen, nice pins. So yeah, save this one. Just like these ones, taken from another telephone. Nice gold plated, but I keep them dot matrix ones and see if we can reuse them somewhere in a project, send them over to hackerspaces, recycle them, and yeah, or repurpose them and do something with it. This one's broke because, yeah, a little bit too much heat on it, and yeah, try to learn from it. But I got another 100, so if you like one, subscribe, and yeah, maybe comment on it and I'll send you one. Yep. Reuse Raspberry Pi, Arduino, whatever 3D printers all have matrix stuff like this, so 2 lines, and yeah, really ways to put it into the recycling. There's some gold in here, some liquid crystal, so some lead, gold plated backing, gold plated back on the lighting on the LCD, 2 logic processors which have gold as well. So yeah, not really stuff that you want to chuck into the recycling because you get nothing, because the screen is on there. So last part, and that's really the last part of this phone because there isn't really not much in there. And yeah, that takes too long, this video, and it gets boring. So, yep. Ooh. Some fiberglass wool. They really thought of it. Yeah. Junk. Itchy stuff. So, ABS plastic. And the speaker, which looks like a very decent one. So yeah, that's why these things are so expensive. I really put some effort in it to get a good office IP phone, but yeah, unfortunately this one didn't work. So somewhere in quality control or whatever it went wrong. So take the rubber out, nice gone. Let's see, maybe you can reuse it, save it, put it on the pile, and put the ideas there. What else is there? Nothing else. Yep, empty, gone. So, bye. To stop.